Nanababaw kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
Guys, it's summer and we can already feel the heat, Mark.
Yes.
Grabe, araw-araw parang lalong umiinit yung panahon. And what a way to, enjoy the day is through some private resorts na available dito po sa Pampanga.
Yes, so ngayon nandito tayo sa Reca Private Resort.
Yes.
Located dito sa may Manibaug Paralaya. And at the same time, meron din sila sa Angeles.
Second branch. For this vlog, we're gonna tour you of the place. We're gonna show you all the amenities, and if you want to know more about it, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Right, so right now, nandito tayo dun sa parang open area or open lawn nila. And dito sa, kumbaga, pinaka-farthest side niya, meron tayong mga playground. Ayan, so dito, freely yung mga bata, yung mga anak natin, pwede sila maglaro dito. And at the same time, dun sa likod niya, meron tayong aviary.
Aviary, so iba't ibang klaseng birds na makikita nyo na pwede nyo ring i-enjoy during nandito kayo sa Reca.
So tara, punahan natin. Tara. So, isa sa mga amenities na pwede nyong i-enjoy dito are yung mga bird sightseeing natin.
So, dito meron silang iba't ibang klase ng ibon. So, meron tayong mga parrots.
Yes.
Siyempre, mga doves.
Yes.
Meron din tayong mga
lovebirds, mga ganyan. Anyway, so I believe meron silang around 100 birds na available dito. So, yeah, you can do some picture takings and feed the birds, mga ganyan.
Actually, free lang yon once na nag-book kayo dito sa Reca Private Resort.
Alright, so pasok tayo, tara. So, Mark, nandito naman tayo ngayon sa kanilang multi-function hall. So, on our estimate, siguro this can accommodate up until 100 persons.
So, sobrang laki ng multi-function nila. So, you could have your events here like birthdays, baptismal, weddings, anniversary, or kahit anong event na pwede nyong isipin.
Actually, naisip ko dito, ang galing ng parang Hawaiian party dito.
Yes,
sa alfresco, pool, what else can you ask? Okay, so actually sa likod natin is yung kanilang common area for the swimming pool. Now, we're gonna go to their family room. As soon as you enter, you're gonna be greeted with the living room. Ayan.
So, meron tayo ditong 2 rooms na approximately 10 packs yung kasya.
Okay, so tingnan natin guys, ano yung mga itsura ng mga bed nila. Ooh, so most probably guys, one isa sa taas, dalawa dito.
Same time, meron din silang mga
rollover bed. Ayan. So each room can accommodate up until 10. So all in all, around 20. Yun. So this one is there.
So, ito yung Barkada Villa nila. So, it can accommodate around 10 persons. So, ito yung isang straight lang siya. So, nandito na yung beds, kitchen, and syempre yung entertainment nyo.
So, nandito naman tayo ngayon dun sa VIP room nila. And if you notice guys, very bachelor type, no? Ang galing ng lugar. So, it has 2 levels. On top is of course yung
kwarto niya. So, ang maganda dito, lalo na pag yung mga bagong kasal or mga bachelor's party.
Yes! Guys, this is so exclusive na makukuha mo lang yung VIP room kapag nirent mo yung entire place. So, this is 8,000 on top of the 25,000 kapag nirent mo yung entire place dito sa Reca. So, this is how it looks like kapag gabi na dito sa Reca Private Resorts.
Yes.
So, I think this is the best part that we talk about naman, yung sa Angeles branch nila.
So, yung sa Angeles naman nila, meron silang villa doon. At the same time, meron silang function hall and pool.
Yes, so when you rent that place, it's actually able to cater around 20 packs. So during Mondays to Thursday, 12,000 pesos po yung entire villa, yung entire place. Now, during Fridays to Saturdays naman, 15,000 pesos. Yun. Now, if you book and sabihin nyo po na nakita nyo sa Wayan, Pampanga ang Reca Resorts, or you're gonna have
The resort will less 2,000 pesos. So magiging around 10,000 na lang
Yes.
and 13,000 pesos na lang yon. So dito naman sa Reca 2,
Yes.
so yung nakikita nyo sa likod natin, if you book for the whole place, it's only 25,000 pesos.
Now, if you book the entire place and sabihin nyo po na nakita nyo si Reca 2 dito sa Wayan, Pampanga, they're gonna slash 5,000 pesos.
So parang 20,000 na lang siya nun.
The entire place will be yours. So, yung Barkada Villa natin, yung family villa natin, you're gonna have an overnight stay the whole day with your own swimming pool. You can have your open garden. Meron pa tayong mga playground, and at the same time, mga ibang amenities dito like yung aviary.
Yeah.
Sulit na sulit yung stay nyo dito. So, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you in the next video. Until then, come and check out Reca Private Resorts.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye, guys.